Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is you remember Kala? He appeared on my video last time ago. We went to a way to do something about, we did a lot of video where we went for the wine. We did a video where we went for the pizza, and also we talked about how long she's been living in UK here. So today is gonna be different. Like I told you before, it's also starting her own YouTube channel, which is already had a YouTube anyway. But today, she bought herself Action 4, DJI Action 4, which is one of the action camera, which is this is a second generation anyway. The one you're watching now is from Action 5. That is what you're watching from, and we are shooting on 2.7K anyway, 3x4, which is you can use it as a short video or you can use it as a big video as well. So we're shooting on 3x4. So what is in this box? This is just what we call standard combo. Standard combo is where you get most of the stuff you need. This is the camera insert here. The camera comes just like that. The camera comes like that. There's not much on it. This is, there's no battery. The battery is gonna be inside the package, so we're gonna have to get the battery out. This is the camera. So you have the cable here, and you also get this, which is it's called you get this anyway, but which we don't need this stuff anyway. So this is the battery here, which is also, I think everybody who knows Action 4 knows that it comes with a battery. This is the battery, which goes inside the camera as well. It goes inside the camera. So you get this, which is allow you to be able to mount it in your helmet if you are the people who do who have bike. Probably much, and also this is the actual the camera insert. This is this here, all right?
Yeah.
Goes on the back of this.
All right. Okay.
So this is the clip, the magnetic
right.
clip,
Okay.
which allow you to be able to hold it. But this is gonna be on the tripod, so they allow you to hold the camera that when you're shooting the video. You know, that's what it comes from. This one here is where you use, you know, the screw and this. So pretty much this is what the camera comes with anyway. This is what the camera comes with. But also, before we activate this camera, you don't have a memory card in it.
No.
Yeah.
I got it in another camera.
Yeah,
Actually, photo camera.
Yeah, we're supposed to have a memory card.
But I can buy actually a new one. But
yeah, I'm gonna
later
find
on.
something to activate it first.
Yeah.
I'm gonna find the memory card to activate it. Then when I activate it, then you can easily buy yourself a memory card. You know, I'm gonna find the memory card to activate it. Because you need the memory card to activate it. That's why if you want to do stuff like this, you got to really take some time. We're not gonna shoot everything, you know, this is a quick video, probably something like maybe 10 minutes video, just to show you what we are doing. And maybe next time you're going to see anything from this camera, anything you're gonna be seeing later, probably is going to be coming out of this Action 4. So probably you're going to have to tell us what do you think the quality of the video coming out of it. So what is going to happen now is that we're going to try to see if we can be able to put it on charger first. I don't know how many battery on it. Put it on charger first. It's charging.
Yeah, it works.
So we have to not to wait, but I think what is going to happen here, I need to concentrate. Let me see what is going to happen, and let me activate the camera. As soon as I activate the camera, then I will come back and show you the footage coming out of the camera. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. So remember when we started this video, we started with Action 5, which is the one we used to record the video. We started with Action 5. So what you're watching now is Action 4. Action 4. That is what you're watching now is Action 4. So if you look at there, you can see the video as well. You can see the video on my phone, wireless connection, and also we can easily watch ourselves as well as we are recording from the telephone inside. We can easily see it as well immediately, how the recording is going. So people can use this type of people can use it this way if they are doing something like interview. But what we are doing is to be able to show you guys both the Action 5 and Action 4. What do you think about the quality of the video coming out of them? I can't tell now because each of them, I don't have the video with me. I'm gonna have to go back and look at the video and find out how the video is looking between Action 4 and Action 5. So this one here, this is the second video. As soon as we already upgrade the system, so we still have the Action 5 with me here, which is not what I was using now. This is the Action 4. So, but I don't know why the system is not allowing me to upgrade the system immediately. Probably the software is already completely done before the camera have to be sold, or probably as a new person, he need to download a new DJI Mino app. Probably from there, probably he can be able to upgrade it, or it's already upgraded. I think so. But I know that as soon as you buy this camera, before you use it, you need to upgrade the system. But it's not allowing me to do that now, or probably it will allow me to do later. But tell me, what do you think about the video quality coming out of it? We are inside this place, so we are shooting in 4K 25. All right, so this is about 2.5 minutes or 2.5 minutes, almost 3 minutes video. We're not gonna drag it too long. We don't have enough battery on it. It's just a brand new camera. So what we're going to do now is be able to try to sort everything out, and then came back later, probably not today, probably later today, and be able to make a video with it outside, and then you guys can tell us what you think about the video quality. Thank you.